Hey everyone, welcome to part 2 of March Patreon for 2024. I'll be looking at D&D Warhammer figure STL prints. And if you're and the link for what we're looking at will be down in the description below. If you do enjoy it, please subscribe, like, and share. And let's get to it. We have a lot to look through. Lord of the Print. It's actually a very good print. I think they actually had March revealed for us. Oh, I did the video now. No sound. So yeah, they just started to do like freaking little short clippers of trailers now for a lot of these things. But Lord of Prince is actually a very good SEO prints. Just letting you know. Looks like we got Cultist that is coming for it. Let's see here. I don't know if it's a cultist or whatever, but I don't care about a lot of these. These are looks like journeymen. These look like Dune. I think this is Dune. Are we doing Dune? Yes, we are probably doing Dune. I guess. I am not. Oh, there's a Etten. There's a big ass Etten. Another one carrying another Etten, half an Etten, I guess. That's some cool looking Etten. Okay. And we have a dragon. Etten fighting a dragon. Let me see if they have actual like photo reveal for it. So I just want to see a photo. I want to see a video of the damn thing. No, this is not it. That's February. Yeah. Let's see here. Yeah, if I can, probably have to go. Whoop, boop, 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 boop. There you go. Etten, Walker, some kind of dragon, a sand dragon. Dragon Etten, some merchant, like working on the sand doom, I'm guessing, for this. Let me know what you guys think. Remoto, they released their shit really late, but here is what they had last month, but I think it was too late for people to get their stuff from it. But oh well. Neko figurines. I don't think they have anything for this coming month. I'm seeing March announcement. We got Rudis, Raygratz, and we got Marcel Donato from that one's from Delicious Dungeon. That one's from the reincarnated. Fuck, it's another isekai anime. I forgot what it's called. That'll be for March. I think there's plus more, and looks like these would be part of it as well. Variegate miniatures. For March collection, we will have freaking dryads with wings or nymphs with wings, and a wood dragon, wood elemental dragon as well for March release. Ethan Savage Studio. Let's see what they have for February, March. I mean, sorry. We'll have the freaking I forgot that android name was from Xenosaga. Forgot that guy from Cowboy Bebop. The game, the Sorcerer, Red, and this one's from Kobayashi. These two I've seen them before, but I don't really know their names. But yeah, so if you're interested, go check them out for it. Papa 3D Studio for March. We'll have a looks like a demon entrance of something. Dark Forces of Udomo. So yeah. And we'll have the monthly mythics of Manwind. A big ass wizard looks like it. Or a godlike. And you have your throwback set for the bridge. From like the Lord of the Rings, the Greenwood elves from Lord of the Rings. But yeah, this is actually pretty cool looking for a diorama piece or for in game as well. If they like probably go to like the mountain or going to hell, and this one probably will pop out the most. Oshi minis. Uh, this is their thing for March. We have some kind of looks like a Necrons and one thing from Tyranid proxies for it. So just letting you guys know. Inside is clear resin. You see a whole bunch of these little buggers inside of it. These are the transport ones. Revision version of transport ones for the Tyranids, like the old Forge World had. For I do have a 3D prints for old Forge World transport for the Tyranids that they, some reason, got rid of. Cyberforge miniatures. We got the Grim Realm, Warhammer proxies, Cyberpunk, and terrains for it. So this is the Cyberpunk version of this thing. So you have some samurai security guards and stuff. It's like a big ogre with a sledgehammer and so forth. Girl with 2 pistols. And this is the oh sweet. We get the wolf ones for the Space Marine proxies. This is what I really need. I don't think I have the right color paint for that. And this is the terrain as well, like a Cyberpunk Japan version of it, if you're interested. Next is Archaeum Workshop, another D&D figure, and they also do diorama as well. That's February. This is going to be for March. I just want photos. Here we go, March previews. So I want to see what we really have. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4 werewolves. This werewolf looks like the one from Elden Ring, and this looks like a Shrek, ugly-looking Shrek giant for it. I don't know what the hell to say for this month for this one, but if you're into like ugly-looking Shrek and a wolf form that looks like from Elden Ring, go for it. If not, I don't think I'm getting that for this month. Ickman minis. They do a lot of anime, video games, and like stuff for the month. So this is your if you get 310, you get Crash Bandicoot, and this one over here is what I don't know what it is from. It's March preview for it. We got Agnes Sisters, Digimons. Oh, we got a lot of Digimon. This one's from Shimigami Tensei, I believe. This wall, if I remember correctly. Pokemon, Yu-Gi-Oh! I can't really see the rest of it, everything else for it. I know that's from Donkey Kong. Your February adds more to it. So got Dragon Ball Z, more Pokemon, more Digimon as well. That's February. Okay. That's the welcome pack. Well, yeah. Hope you guys do enjoy that for this month. We got next one, Blue Wyvern. I think they're doing something different for this month. I think they're doing Shark Folks, I believe. Just really weird looking ones as well. If you need some Shark Folks and stuff, go for it. I'm guessing. But other than that, it just looks really weird how they make it for it. I like the Gundam looking one they did last month, but yeah, this is just weird looking, to tell you the truth. Nutshell Altair. I don't think they have March out yet for this one. It's basically like lewd figures and stuff, like this one for last month. But I don't think they only release theirs till later on. For this one that's coming on, they're going to do a mausoleum for a terrain piece. If you're interested in that, Mickey Town is very good. This was their last month one, but yeah, you can see they'll put more and more details inside of what it looks like later on as well. You can go check them out. This is probably the last one. Anime Girl, probably the second to last one. STL. First bar should be Yuko from Holic. If you don't remember Holic or Tashuba, I believe. It's like this anime came out when I was in high school, so Yeah, she is like a witch for it. Okay, March Village will be the last one. Village of Hope miniatures. Okay. March release Dragon Festival. So we'll have some cool sexy girls, Dragon Dancer, Line Dancer, and also we'll have Farron from Journey's End. Stuff like that. Well, I hope you guys do enjoy it. Subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord, and I'll see you guys next time. Have a great day, guys. Bye.